Welcome to my YouTube Kickstart Masterclass. I'm super excited to share my insights and practical demos on how you can use YouTube for your passion and business, so thank you for being here. First of all, I recommend removing any distractions, finding a nice comfortable place to sit, maybe grab a drink and definitely have a notebook handy. In today's training, I'll be showing you 3 secrets that can help you start a YouTube channel or boost an existing one. Despite popular belief, YouTube is not all about pranks, viral videos, cat videos and bro marketing. There's a lot more to it than that, and that means a lot more opportunity for you. While there's a younger generation on YouTube, there's also a growing population of people aged 35 and over. So if your audience is 35 or over, this is the time for you to be there for them. My mission is to make sure you learn how to launch your YouTube channel and make video so that more people can benefit from your special gifts. And I want your passions and talent and expertise to get the attention that it deserves. YouTube is a powerful platform with many great features to help grow your passion and business. But sometimes the big barriers to taking advantage of these is time, knowledge and skill. I hope that I'll be able to remove some of those barriers in the class, and I really want to inspire you to take action and create your YouTube channel plans so that you can take advantage of these opportunities that YouTube has to offer. In this training, I'm going to show you 3 secrets to instantly increase your YouTube channel views and subscribers, with lots of practical tips that you can implement straight after this masterclass. I'll be covering 3 secret fundamentals you need to know to successfully launch and grow your YouTube channel. The first secret I cover is confidently create compelling video. While making video is no secret, making compelling video is, and I'm going to show you what goes into making great video to help grow your channel. Secret number 2 is about creating scroll-stopping video thumbnails. I'll be going through all the key principles to making effective video thumbnails for a successful channel launch. In secret number 3, it's all about how to effortlessly grow your views and subscribers. I'll go over the basic principles of using key metadata such as keywords and tags and all that good stuff to get your videos discovered. If you enjoy what you learn here today and want to dive in further with me, then I have a special offer which I'll talk about at the end of the training. In addition, I'll be giving away my free downloadable gift for everyone who watches this training, so stick around for that. So who's this masterclass for? So this training is for you if you want to start a YouTube channel the right way, but you don't know where to begin. You want to jumpstart an existing YouTube channel or rapidly grow your views and subscribers. You want to use video to increase your brand's online visibility. You want to improve your video making skills, especially good for online course creators as well as YouTube video makers. You want to know how to make great video thumbnails. And also, you may want to incorporate YouTube into your social media strategy, and you may want to use YouTube to generally increase your customers and clients. It's all there for you. It can sometimes seem like there's a lot of work involved with YouTube and sometimes seem quite intimidating. But if you love what you do, have a system for doing things, it really doesn't actually feel like work, and I promise you that. It can be one of the most fulfilling things you ever do. So imagine if you had a successful YouTube channel that grew consistently every day, 24/7, helping others learn and grow as you share your passion, grow your brand and expand your business. If you like the sound of this, let's continue, because in the next hour I'm going to show you how this can become your reality as I reveal the details of these 3 YouTube channel Kickstart secrets. But before we dive in, here's a bit about me. I'm Belle, a YouTube creator for over 12 years and now a YouTube channel growth consultant and coach. My channel is called My Vox Songs. It offers preschool entertainment with my original hand-drawn characters and animation videos. I've over 425,000 subscribers with over 440 million views. I know I've got some big numbers there, but you won't see my face much on YouTube because my videos are mainly made up of my animations and crafts. When I started the channel, I had a toddler and baby, so creating animated nursery rhymes fitted in with my lifestyle, and earning a decent income from YouTube's partner program quickly turned my hobby into a career. Over the years, I produced several more kids channels, but my kids became teenagers and YouTube imposed ad revenue cuts for my kids channels that I turned my attention to YouTube consulting and founded onlinemediabiz.com. I'm also author of How to Start a YouTube Channel, The Easy Way with Charlie and Friends, which is an Amazon bestseller. And I'm also a VidCon speaker and podcast host for Confessions of a YouTuber, where I talk to YouTubers about their growth strategies on their channel. Previous to all of this, I worked in marketing for the world's largest entertainment brands, including Simon Cowell's Pop Idol and X Factor, Sony Music, Universal Music and Party Poker. So there's some great companies there. I had a lot of fun. So let's talk quickly about the stats and facts and why now is the time for you to be on YouTube. YouTube is a video hosting platform and the second largest search engine. It's owned by Google, which is the largest search engine in the world. So if you want to get discovered, this is the place to be. YouTube attracts 2 billion monthly active viewers from all over the world. While we know that kids and the 18 to 34s are very active on YouTube, the 35 plus age group is becoming the fastest growing user segment. This means if your audience is likely to be 35 plus, they're probably looking for your videos as we speak, so don't let them get away. I'm not going to get into the intricacies of how YouTube works, but I just want to give you a bit of context that I think might help you see how its general ecosystem works. YouTube relies on 3 key components: video content, advertisers and viewers. The video content satisfies the needs of billions of viewers, and advertisers want to target these viewers with their goods and services. The ad revenue gained from the advertisers is split between YouTube and their content creators like you and me, who become part of YouTube's partner program if we meet the criteria. What other social media platform celebrates creator content via revenue share program and allows you the opportunity to fulfill a passion and potentially make a career out of it, as I did? Not many. YouTube is a powerful marketing tool and quickly becoming an essential part of the marketing mix for brands, businesses, experts and passionate hobbyists. And what does this mean for you? Well, it allows you to build a loyal community, broadcast your ideas and talent, create an evergreen hub and support system. The possibilities are absolutely endless. It's all about what you make of it, and that's why I really want you to enjoy the benefits. It's a fabulous place to get started quickly and easily. And it's really, really good to get discovered. Build a loyal community, broadcast your talent, and drive organic traffic to your sites. And the best thing is, it's all free. I think a lot of people forget that. I know that a lot of people spend a lot of money and time creating their websites, but you can do the same with YouTube, and that's why I'm here to show you. I know you're probably thinking that I'm sponsored by YouTube or something, but I can assure you I'm not. I'm just very passionate about the possibilities for you to grow and share your expertise, as well as empowering you to become your best creative self using video, so that you can benefit from the multitude of rewards. I used to bore friends about YouTube at dinner parties, when dinner parties were a thing, but when I realised they weren't actually interested, I knew I had to share my knowledge with people like you. And that's why I created this masterclass for curious and passionate entrepreneurs that have a thirst for video and can appreciate the experience that I've gained over the years. To get started, I'm going to show you the front and back end of one of my YouTube channels. This is one of my most popular My Vox Songs nursery rhyme videos, which has reached 18 million views. You can see it here on what's called the YouTube watch page, and you can also see suggested videos which pop up on the right hand column here. I'm just going to go into the back end, or backstage as I like to call it, so you can see my creator studio. This is where you'll find the dashboard and all the video controls and analytics. And this is where you upload your videos and where you can see how your videos are performing. YouTube used to be a place where views were the measure of success, but that changed when things like clickbait and fake news were really causing some issues, and people would misrepresent what's in their videos just so that they can get clicks for ad revenue. But thankfully, YouTube has become much more sophisticated now and measures the value of video by its watch time, which literally is the amount of time people spend watching a video. In my eyes, YouTube offers everyone an equal opportunity to share their talent, creativity and expertise, allowing for viewers to experience your brand of entertainment and information. So ultimately, YouTube is a blank canvas where you can create truly valuable video and it serves them to potentially interested viewers. So once your videos get discovered and you captivate your audience, they'll not only love and appreciate what you do, they'll subscribe and become loyal fans. So let's get started by giving you a sneak peek into the back end of my first YouTube channel.